Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the arse end of the M1 in London. And whilst I've been to London several times before via motorcycle, I've never driven through the middle until now. It is coming up to 3:30 on a Friday afternoon, and as well, to add to the intrepidation, it is bank holiday weekend. And why am I driving through London? Well, on this occasion, it's off to the Bike Shed show at the Tobacco Docks near Wapping, that sort of area. Right on the other side to where I am now. If you don't know, the Bike Shed, the place in Shoreditch where all the custom things happen, have a annual show that happens on the bank holiday weekend, and it's a show where several of the custom bike builders throughout the country and further abroad come together to show off their wares. However, the difference being this time is that there's a bike there that over the last several months I've spent huge amounts of time designing, engineering and physically building a whole bike. If you want more details of that, go see my social media pages. But for now, all you're going to know is that's where we're going right now. Let's get on it. I think he's going to the Bike Shed. He's wearing the right attire, that's for certain. Thinking back the last time I would have ridden in a properly big city, I guess it was when I was in India. I don't think riding a bike, even a 1000cc V-twin through the middle of London, is going to compare quite as much to the madness that was the 125 in the middle of Chennai. This isn't a road! Yeah, but I don't think that's a bad thing, to be honest. At least here I have more of an understanding of how the roads work. Righty-ho, as with many of my travelling to places that I haven't been to before, I have my tank bag with the bit of paper with all the little places that I've got to go via written down on. So currently heading towards Regent's Park, then onwards to Euston, Holborn, Tower Bridge along the embankment. Lovely. Nice ride right through the middle. Ooh. The question is, how far can I go using just the paper navigation system before I have to stop and check out phone navigation systems or other people? I reckon I'll be able to get... I reckon I'll get confused before the river. We'll find out! But I think I'm going to have to up my filtering game if I'm going to make some good progress. BT Tower! Apparently the BT Tower used to be a national and legal official secret until recently. Can you tell I watched QI? So where are we heading? We're still towards Euston. Yeah. This way. Got there eventually. Whoa! That was good. Euston Station. I'm going to be turning right at some point. That's going to be fun, trying to go over there then. And one more lane. Lovely. And luckily, because this bike is Euro 3, it's completely ultra low emission zone exempt. Boom! Even though it's decatted and all that sort of thing. This bike feels warm, I think. Whilst the temperature is still as it is normally in sitting traffic. I think it's been like it for so long, everything around it just feels toasty. Alright. Holborn, yeah, we've done that one. Keep left. Okay, apparently so. I've got to keep left. That's what I told myself. I'm sure it makes sense in a minute what I'm keeping left for, but there we go. 101 degrees. Breathe, motorcycle, breathe. Taco Bell. Haven't seen one of them before in this country. Actually, haven't seen one of them full stop. 103, 104 degrees. 105. It's going up. Frankly, we have pressurized cooling systems. Oh, that's an old tram tunnel. These are things like that I find interesting. Yeah, let's go some filtering. There's some space. Taking the opportunity. That's underground. That's Holborn Underground. Lovely. Right, we're on the right track then, I think. Aha, this is what I meant to keep left at. Yes, I definitely remember now. A massively ornate building. Something to do with Australia, I think. Whoa. Keep left and immediate right. So this is what I'm keeping left at. No, it's not. Oh no, it is bollocks. Down here, yes, I remember now. The direction I gave myself for working well. That's the river, yes, I made it to the river. Aha, and here we go into the city of London now, that means. Yes, I'm making progress. Keep going on the embankment now to Tower Bridge. Is that new? I don't remember seeing that before. Whatever shape it's meant to be. Thank you. Yeah, I'll go in front of you as well then. Beautiful! Shard! Well, hey, so that's London Bridge. That's Tate Gallery, yep. Oh, tunnel. And we're in a bit further, bit of revving. Oh, Oh, what a noise. Careful now. Ooh. Would have thought the outside would be a bit more preferable. Are we at the other end of the city in London now, if that's the marker? Ah, the tower. There's the tower. And Tower Bridge. Not far off now then. Where are we going? So right at the tower towards the bridge. Yeah, let's go for it. Ahead only. Yeah, this is correct. This is correct. I don't want to go over the bridge yet. That's where I've got to go this evening. So yes, down here. Holy moly, I think I'm actually getting quite far without having to look at maps and directions. Crikey! Where now? Ah, this road to the tobacco dock. 1 mile. Sweet! Might make it. I might make it in one go. Holy moly. Go for it! Road split so we can take liberty there. Beautiful! Let's go down here. Oh, that frame is hot. Whopping! Well, hey, we're whopping. We're not far now. Let the poor bike cool down a sec. Get through that. Let the scooter go. He knows what he's doing more than I do. There's a financial district in the background. A businessy bit where money happens. I'm a businessman. I know the technical terms. Hey, there's Tobacco Dock. There it is. That's the building. Boom! Made it! Yes! And one of the best things about going to a motorcycle event in the middle of the city is the free bike parking. Have some of that when we turn down this road. But in the meantime, all I've got to do is park up. So thank you for joining me in my ride through this middle of London. It's yeah, I enjoyed that, surprisingly. Quite nice indeed. But I think the evening ride might be even nicer to the eyes. We'll see. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and I think this is where I've got to go. There's loads of bikes here. That'll do me nicely. Next to a, what's that, an Enfield, a Guzzy, and a Scrambler, one of the big Triumph Scramblers. There's a tight bend on the exhaust. Anyway, till next time. Ta-ta.